बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजीदा राजा, आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3. माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, पाकिस्तान. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.7, question number 1, part 2, class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization Sindh Board. We are going to learn synthetic division methods. So, book others and the steps are written. Now, we are to follow the steps. So, the first step is write table. Done this. Now second place multiplier to left hand side. So this x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to this minus 1 will come here plus 1. So it's come. This is multiplier. So this minus 1 will become here. Done this. Now I am removing it. Now, third is place coefficient after multiplier. So here will become 1, minus 1, minus 1. Place constant to right hand side, minus 1. Then fifth, place first coefficient of first coefficient, 1. Multiply with first coefficient and right. Multiply with first. Minus plus minus 1. Then 6. Multiply with first. Done this. Now add, subtract. Add, subtract, done this, add. First answer is minus 2, correct. First, multiply minus 1 with minus 2, minus plus 2 ones are 2. So, second right answer below third coefficient. Done this, add, subtract. 1 will be coming. For second answer is 1, correct. Multiply minus 1 with 1, minus plus minus 1. So, right answer blue constant. Then this, now add, subtract, minus 2. Third answer is minus 2 remainder, correct. So, remainder is equal to minus 2 and qx is equal to x square minus 2 x plus y. You think so? Where this comes? I am telling you from the rough work. First of all, this will become 1 minus 2, 1, multiply. X square, then square is equal to will become minus 2 multiplied by 2x square, then minus x is equal to, then 1 is equal to. Done this. Now plus plus up, plus x square, then here will come minus 2 minus minus plus 2x minus minus by x, sorry. So here will become minus 2x and 1 multiplied by 1. So here comes x square minus 2x and plus 1. Now you can understood let's come this. So finally we have taken out our answer and it's become our answer. Books answers are written. You can check it. Okay. Remainder is equal to minus 2. Remainder is equal to minus 2. Qx is equal to x square. Qx is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 1. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.